Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 24th of February 2021 Shift 1 question. Question number 10. It's a memory based question. Some data may be changed. Locus of midpoint of the focal radius of parabola y square is equal to 4ax is a parabola whose focus is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of coordinate geometry. Focal radius. Focal radius means distance from focus. So mention one thing. Focal radius is equal to distance from focus. So at first draw the parabola. So this was x and y axis and here is the parabola. So this one is the parabola. It is here the point P, which is at square comma 2at, and it is S a comma 0. So this is the line and it is the midpoint H comma K. It is the midpoint. Therefore we may write that is H is equal to a plus at square divide 2, as it is the midpoint. So this is equal to, that implies 2h is equal to a plus at square. This is equation 1. Now k is equal to 0 plus 2at by 2. 0 plus 2at by 2. So that implies that is equal to 280, 2 and 2 is cancelled off. So k is equal to 80 and t is equal to k by a. So putting this value in equation 1, therefore 1 become twice h is equal to a plus a into k square by a square, that is equal to a plus k square by a, that is k square by a, and so a plus k square by a. So this finally we may write twice h is equal to a plus k square by a. So we now replace h. H is replaced by x and k is replaced by y. So now replacing h by h by x and k by y. So this equation become twice x is equal to a plus k square means y square divide a, that implies, so that is equal to y square, we after simplifying we write y square is equal to twice a into x minus a by 2. So this is an shifted parabola. So just write down, we should calculate the parabola whose focus. So this parabola's focus, so we write down this equation, just 4 into a by 2 to x minus a by 2. So now here we get, that is focus x by x minus a by 2 is equal to a by 2. That is implies x is equal to a here, and y-axis must be 0 and y-axis is equal to 0. So the focus is, therefore the focus is a comma 0. So we reached, it is our required answer, and a comma 0 is focus, and our option 3 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 10. Now moving to question 11. Integration cos of x minus sin x divide root over 8 minus 2 sin 2x dx is equal to this. Then a and b is. So this is the equation. This is the question in the house of integration. So the integration, given integration is integration cos of x minus sin x divide root over of 8 minus sin 2x, that is equal to dx. It is our left hand side integration. Here is some correction, it is sin x plus cos x. So we just simplify the left hand side. So at first we know sin 2x is equal to, we may write down integration, numerator become unchanged, cos x minus sin x dx, and denominator become 8 minus, we may write down sin 2x is equal to sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1, as it is sin square plus cos square x, that is equal to 1, plus 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x means sin 2x, so it is we may write down sin 2x is equal to this. So now numerator is cos x minus sin x divide, denominator become root over 9 minus sin x plus cos of x whole square dx. Now let sin x plus cos of x is equal to t, that implies cos of x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Integration dt divide root over 9 minus t square. So it become 9 minus t square. So we know dt divide a square minus a root over a square minus x square. That means dx divide a square minus x square root over, that is sin inverse t by 3 plus c, and t is equal to sin inverse, t is equal to sin x plus cos of x divide 3 plus c. So this value is equal to this one. So therefore sin inverse sin x plus cos of x divide 3 plus c is equal to a into sin inverse sin x plus cos x divide b plus c. So right hand side and left hand side comparing, therefore we get a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3. So the value a comma b is equal to 1 comma 3. So we reached, it is our required answer, and our option is a comma b is equal to 1 comma 3. So option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 10 and 11. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.